Hello, dear friends. This is the phone support channel. In this short video, I want to show you and tell you how to hide your post on Instagram. I will tell you how to make your publication not be visible and no one can repost it. All information about the publication will be saved only for you. The likes and comments will be saved. Click on our publication and find 3 dots in the corner. Click here. A menu will appear where we choose the item, Archive. As soon as we click on this button, our publication will be immediately hidden and no one will see it. All data will be saved and you can get your publication back. How to restore it? Very simple. To do this, go to the profile and click on the 3 bars. And in that menu, choose Archive. All the photos that we sent to the archive will appear. We can choose our publication. We dig it up and click on the 3 dots. After that, click on the item. Show on profile. That was the phone support channel. If you liked it, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye.